Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to download all files from Google Drive at one time on Android. To start, open the Google Drive app on your Android device. If you are not already signed in, enter your Google account details and sign in. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the Files tab. This will show you all the files stored in your Google Drive. To download all the files at once, start by selecting the files. You can do this by tapping and holding on the first file. This will enable the selection mode. After selecting the first file, you can continue tapping on each file you want to include. If you want to select all files quickly, look for the Select All option. Usually, you will find it at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to select every file in the current folder. Once you have selected all the files you want to download, look for the menu button, represented by 3 dots, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this menu button to open a list of options. From this list, choose Download. The app will now start downloading all the selected files to your device. Depending on the size and number of files, the process may take a few minutes. Ensure you have a stable internet connection and enough storage space on your device for all the files. Once the download is complete, you can find the files in the Downloads folder of your device or in the location specified by your download settings. That's it. That's how you can solve the problem of downloading all files from Google Drive at one time on Android. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.